Hello everybody, Earth.Otherwise here to continue our journey into game programming in C++ start to finish by Eric Yuzwa. We need a surface to render textures to, so we'll make a square. It's pretty simple. First we create a new class called square. Then we copy pretty much everything from triangle. Create the draw function. Make sure this is in the namespace of your game engine. And then pretty much just copy this stuff from triangle. And we're going to make a couple of changes to it. So first, we're going to set this up into two-dimensional, just so that we can read it better. And we're going to change it to the points of a square, which we need 6 of rather than just 3. So bottom left corner, that's fine. Now we need far left center, which is -1, 0. -1, 0. -1 for far left, 0 for center. And now we need very center, which is... No, we don't need very center. We need bottom center, which is 0, -1. I mean, we could do center, but we're going to do that with the other one. Now... we need -1.0f and 0.0f because that's the center left. And now the center. And now the bottom center. So 0f, -1.0f. And that's our 2 triangles. Now GL draw arrays, you might remember that these are the number of points. We now have 6 points. And that's it. We just need to pop in here. I'm going to change this from triangle to square. Make sure we include square. And that's all we need to do. Now we build it. Oh, square.h. And then we go ahead and run it. And we have a square. That's not in the right place. Oh, wait, no, it is in the right place. It's just the bottom half of the window is cut off by my magnifying glass. Okay, it is in the right place. Yeah, because it's equidistant here to here. Yeah. So there we go. That's our square. Next time, we're going to render a texture onto that square. This has been Earth.Otherwise. Thank you for watching.